The much-awaited peace accord of the six Karbis armed groups with the Government of India and Government of Assam is to be signed today. The delegation from Karbi Anglong, comprising of top leaders of the armed groups and the KAAC, had reached New Delhi, and positive news are expected. On September 1, before leaving for New Delhi from Guwahati airport, the K5 group's leader, including Songbijit Ingti Kathar, met Dumra Karbi leaders of Sonapur and held long interaction on several points. During their visit, Karbis Students Union Advisor Ratneswar Ronghang, President Khorsing Teron, members of Karbi Adorbar, Karbi Bangthia Sem and others greeted them. Talking to the local leaders, PDCK Chief Songbijit Ingti Kathar assured that he will put pressure on the central government to fulfill all the demands of the Karbis living in plain region, especially the long-standing issue of granting scheduled tribe status to the plain Karbis and creation of an autonomous state-led council. Karbi Students Union Advisor Ratneswar Ronghang stated that the Karbi Peace Accord to be signed today will mark a victory day for the whole Karbi community. In the meeting, it was been decided that while the armed leaders return from Delhi after signing the peace accord, there will be ceremony to welcome them. Accordingly, a welcome escort program from Guwahati airport to Nagaon has been planned by the Dumra Karbis. A human chain or mass gathering of the Karbis in the highway, especially in the Karbi-dominated area, would be organized to greet the revolutionary leaders. Meanwhile, with the points and subject in the accord not being made public, people of Karbi Anglong are anxiously waiting for completion of the deal. However, all are anticipating that constructive and highly important agendas will be included in the accord. It may be mentioned that this will be the third time that Karbis have succeeded in signing a accord with the central government. Earlier, the political movement led by the Autonomous State Demand Committee signed MOU in the year 1995, while in 2011, the armed group UPDS signed an MOS. Nituraj Ronghang from Sonapur, Karbi Anglong Live.
I can see your face in the midnight sky, feeling like I'm drowning in your love.